Welcome back. Day 52. The Higher Self Identity Shift. When you stop trying to remember the higher self and start living as the higher self. Identity is the root of all behavior. Identity is the root of all habits. Identity is the root of all destiny. Most people try to change their life without changing identity, so nothing sticks. A calm warrior does the opposite. Let's begin. 1. The three identities you carry. AME.X Original. You live through three identities. 1. The past self, shaped by wounds, fear, childhood, mistakes. This self holds you back. 2. The present self, shaped by habits, discipline, choices. This self shapes your current reality. 3. The higher self, shaped by clarity, purpose, intuition, destiny. This self shapes your future reality. Your mission: move from past to present to higher self. 2. The truth about identity. Most people do not know this. Identity is not personality, beliefs, thoughts, emotions, behavior. Identity is who you believe you are allowed to be. If you change this belief, we change your entire life. 3. The five makers of a higher self identity. A higher self identity naturally. 1. Chooses calmness. Reacting is no longer interesting. 2. Chooses clarity. Confusion feels unnatural. 3. Chooses truth. Pretending becomes impossible. 4. Chooses alignment. You cannot tolerate misalignment anymore. 5. Chooses expansion. Growth feels natural. This becomes your new baseline. 4. The Identity Upgrade Blueprint AME.X model. This is the core. To shift identity, you must upgrade 4 layers. 1. Identity story. What you say about yourself. 2. Identity standards. What behavior you accept. 3. Identity environment, where you place yourself. 4. Identity action, what you consistently do. Upgrade this 4. Your identity shifts permanently. 5. The higher self identity story. Replace I am trying with I am becoming. Replace I am working on myself to I am evolving every day. Replace I hope I succeed with success is my default trajectory. Replace I get overwhelmed with I stay calm under pressure. Replace I have issues with I am transforming. This story rewires destiny. 6. The higher self standard shift. Your identity becomes higher when your standards rise. Old standard. I will do it when I feel like. New standard. I act even when I don't feel like. Old standard. I tolerate chaos. New standard. I choose clarity. Old standard. I react emotionally. New standard. I respond consciously. Old standard. I hope things change. New standard. I change myself. This is not self improvement. This is identity evolution. 7. The higher self environment rule. Your environment must match your identity. A high frequency identity cannot survive in chaotic spaces, gossip environments, toxic friendships, unconscious households, emotionally loud circles. Your environment must feed your identity. 8. The higher self action loop. This is the most important part. Identity is built through one small aligned actions. Daily habits leads to identity shift. 2. Higher self decisions. Clarity shift to alignment, shift to expansion. 3. Warrior discipline. Consistency moves to embodiment. Embodiment. 4. Higher self emotional responses. Calmness moves to stability and stability moves to power. 5. Purpose based momentum. Destiny leads to confidence and it leads to clarity. Identity strengthens with every repetition. 9. The three stages of identity transformation. Stage 1. Awakening. You realize you are not your past. Stage 2. Embodiment. You live as the higher self daily. Stage 3. Integration. The higher self becomes your default. This is the transformation AME.X creates. 10. The higher self identity mantra. I honor the old me. I release the old me. I rise into my truth. I rise into my clarity. I rise into my purpose. I rise into my higher self. This is who I am now. This seals the new identity. Thank you, brothers and sisters.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.